I don't know about you, but I absolutely love learning animal funky facts. And we're going to be having a look at this book today, which is called Wild Winter Creatures. And it's created by the Wildcrats, which is these two brothers, Martin and Chris, and they go around finding about lots of different animals and learning all about their creature powers. So today we're going to be learning about wild winter creatures. So these are animals that live in cold climates. Now, let's read the introduction here. Hey, it's us, the Krat brothers. I'm Martin and I'm Chris. And we're finding out how to stay warm with cold weather creatures. Many animals live in cold climates. They have amazing creature powers to help them survive in the ice and snow. They have one or more of the 3 Fs. Oh yeah, the 3 Fs. Fur, feathers, fat. They help keep creatures warm that live in the cold. Let's meet some winter creatures and activate creature powers. Okay, so the great thing about a book like this is that this is a fact book. So you don't have to read it start to finish. And this is why my son likes reading these sorts of books. Because you can have a look at the title and you can think, do I want to learn about a snowy owl? And if you want to, you can stay on this page. You could have a look over and think, oh, actually, I'd rather learn about a polar bear or the snowshoe hare. So you can go through and you don't have to read it from start to finish, unlike a storybook. In a fact book, you can decide which facts you want to read first. So I'm going to have a look, and I really, really like polar bears. I think they're pretty cool. So I'm going to go to the polar bear section. Here we go. Polar bears have thick coats of very warm fur. They walk in the snow, sleep in the snow and play in the snow. Polar bears swim in icy water. Then they shake their bodies to dry out and fluff their fur. So I wonder which one of the 3 Fs polar bears have in order to keep them warm. Is it feathers, fur or fat? Well, on this page I can see that they've talked mainly about fur. So I think the main thing that keeps a polar bear warm in a cold climate must be their fur. Let's have a look at one more. I'm going to, oh yes, this is a cool one. Do you know what this animal is? This is the lynx. So lynxes have wide, flat feet that help them to run on top of the snow. They chase prey such as snowshoe hares. However, snowshoe hares also have giant feet so they can run away. Big feet don't sink into the snow. So that is the lynx's creature power. He's got these big feet that he can spread out and he can run across the snow, a little bit like wearing special snowshoes. And that means that he doesn't sink all the way in, which would slow him down when he's trying to chase his prey. That's a pretty cool creature. Now I wonder if we can have a look at the picture of this lynx and decide if he's got feathers, fur or fat, which help him to stay warm in the winter. Now I'm going to guess that he's got fur that helps him stay warm as well. So very similar to the polar bear, he's got a furry body that keeps him really, really nice and warm. I wonder if you can find out about any other special creatures that can stay warm in the winter and learn some cool funky facts for yourself.